The long wait is finally over. After 8 years of the T6 Ranger's life, the Raptor version is officially launched. The Ultimate Ranger is purposefully designed, built, and tested to set a benchmark as the only factory-built performance truck across the Asia Pacific. Designed by Ford Performance Team for the true enthusiasts off-roader, the Ranger Raptor strengthens Ford's commitment to deliver high-performance pickup trucks to its customers. The Ford Ranger Raptor features distinctive and functionally driven design cues inside and out. At the front, a stunning new grille takes styling cues from the world's first factory-built high-performance off-road truck, the F-150 Raptor. The iconic Ford lettering boldly positioned within the grille is unmistakable. Vehicle stance is noticeably bigger from every angle. Ground clearance is increased to 283mm, while the approach angle of 32.5 degrees, ramp over angle, and departure angle of 24 degrees as a package are superior to anything seen before. Starting from the ground up, the side steps are cut above the rest. The step boards were specifically designed to prevent rock spray from hitting the rear of the truck, and the holes have been designed to drain sand, mud, and snow. At the rear, a modified rear bumper comes with an integrated tow bar and 2 recovery hooks rated at 3.8 tons. Updated styling to the rear includes flush sensor bezels and specially packaged tow connectors. Providing an abundance of space, the 1560mm by 1743mm tray has been designed with the weekend explorer in mind, while the 2500kg towing capacity also accounts for dirt bikes or jet skis, as well as traditional work needs during the week. Inside, the Ranger Raptor offers a tailored performance DNA interior design with a high level of craftsmanship and durable materials suitable for both off-road driving and everyday use. The seats are specially designed for high-performance support, allowing the driver to engage in enthusiastic handling while also providing superior on-road comfort. The use of suede on the seats for additional grip shows the practicality behind the material choice. The infotainment runs on the highly appraised Sync 3, which is a fully integrated voice activation system that lets the driver use their favorite devices while their hands stay on the wheel and eyes on the road. A rear view camera displayed on the 8-inch colored LCD screen matched with the rear parking sensors give the drivers the utmost confidence when parking anywhere. Push button start with passive entry also comes as standard. When getting behind the wheel, drivers will notice the detailed differences everywhere they look, including the blue stitching and leather accents. The gauges have aggressive styling containing a host of driver assist features. The steering wheel is distinctively different with new lightweight magnesium paddle shifters. It also includes an on-center mark, which is a red stripe on the top of the wheel to let you know where the center is when you're operating the vehicle at high speed. The steering wheel is finished off with the Raptor logo debossed into the spoke bezel. The rear offers a great amount of head and legroom for my 5'5" body, and Ford didn't skimp on the materials as the seats have the same suede and leather treatment. The Ford Ranger Raptor's chassis frame is a unique frame that is designed to travel at high speeds and endure the punishment that off-road racing provides. Raptor's race-bred suspension has been specifically crafted to tackle undulating terrain at high speed while remaining in complete control and comfort. The dampers are exclusively manufactured by Fox Racing Shocks with a 46.6mm piston for front and rear. Given the unforgiving terrain Ford Ranger Raptor has been developed for, it needed an aggressive set of tires to keep it stable on and off-road. It comes standard with an all-terrain BF Goodrich 285/70 R17 tires. In a revolutionary move to deliver incredible performance and responsiveness, a 10-speed transmission is combined with a new 2.0-liter Biturbo diesel engine in the Ranger Raptor to deliver a maximum of 213 PS and 500 Nm of torque. The 10-speed automatic transmission is shared with the F-150 Raptor and has been created with high-strength steel, aluminum alloys, and composites to optimize durability and weight. The Ranger Raptor comes with a terrain management system offering 6 modes for various driving experiences, which can be selected via a dedicated 5-button switch located on the steering wheel. Each mode has been calibrated to offer the best possible combination of technologies working in unison to tackle the chosen terrain or driving style, which includes normal, sport, grass, gravel, snow, mud and sand, rock, and Baja modes. I had the privilege for a brief drive with the Ranger Raptor at a closed course. As I climbed in the vehicle, and I literally meant climbed, I was greeted to a high-quality interior. The moment I started to drive, I got intimidated by the ride height and the big hood in my sightline. But once I got going, it all went away. The steering is really light, like I'm driving a Ford Fiesta, so it's easy to maneuver the small course. Ride quality was excellent as it manages to soak bumps very well. Even the cobbled road felt like asphalt. Tackling the small slalom course tested the Ranger Raptor's road holding and dynamic abilities. To quote a chief engineer from Ford Performance, driving it really makes you feel like a hero. The Ford Ranger Raptor will be produced in Thailand using Ford's latest state-of-the-art manufacturing techniques and facilities. Inheriting vital capability from the truly successful Ranger and complementing that with DNA from the F-150 Raptor, the Ranger Raptor is set to turn heads throughout Asia and around the world. The Ranger Raptor is definitely a one-of-a-kind truck. It's a super truck. I would highly recommend this truck to anyone as it delivers great performance, comfort, efficiency, and practicality. It's so badass, I definitely want one.